This is James Hendricks with the Black Sheep Reports, and today I want to talk about something that I just found so outrageous, so downright stupid. I needed to discuss it today. And calm down, David Icke fanboys and flat earthers. I'm not talking about you today. What I'm talking about is the three-strike law. Now, the three-strike laws are state laws that provide for much harsher punishment, generally life sentences. Now, the third time a person commits a felony. Now, there are also habitual offender laws, which are by the number of offenses needed to trigger the harsher penalty. For example, North Carolina, a person is considered a habitual offender on their fourth felony. Okay, for starters, what the fuck? Who made these damn laws? I mean, are politicians that freaking stupid? They're like, one strike, two strikes, three strikes. Yeah, I like baseball. You're in jail for the rest of your damn life. And, they're probably going to change this law now, go with more common core math, where it's like, one strike, that equals 3. You're in jail for 25 years. How many states have this dumb, downright ridiculous law? Well, currently, there are 28 states with heavier sentences for repeat offenders. Massachusetts became the latest state to punish the repeat offenders when it passed its own version of the law in 2012. Now, I'm not going to name all these states, but I will put a link in the description box so you can check it out for yourself. Now, California has one of the strictest three-strike laws. California's three-strike laws applies to some felonies committed when the person was a juvenile. So in other words, if you committed a robbery or something stupid as a kid or a teenager, that can affect you for the rest of your life behind bars. The law also does not take into account the length and time between felonies. So in other words, you did your time and happened to get a felony 10, 20 years down the line, something as small as stealing some golf clubs or $500, or end up with a drug possession, it's your third strike, boom, rest of your life behind bars. So, the third strike law can apply even if the first two felonies were committed many years before. Now, are the three-strike laws constitutional? Yes. The three-strike laws are largely constitutional, although they are often challenged. For example, California's three-strike laws was challenged as an unconstitutional violation of the 8th Amendment, which protects a person for cruel and unusual punishment. Now, the Supreme Court upheld the law, even when applied to minor felonies, such as stealing golf clubs. Now, I'll leave on this note. America is right now, as I speak, as I make this video, the third highest population in the world, with 321,368,864 people, where in China, the largest population in the world, has 1,367,485,388 people. A country who we say in the media is so downright evil and downright strict on its people, yet we have a higher prison population than they do. Think about that. This is James Hendricks with the Black Sheep Reports. Subscribe if you're new. Links are below. And don't forget to check us out on Facebook. Our page is Media on 9/11. Thank you.